So here we go on this fabulous Friday. Today, students will be able to write quadratic functions. So you've been solving them, now we're going to write them. Quadratic function is, remember, anything with that x squared. Quadratic parent function, y equals x squared, right in the middle. A parabola, the shape of a quadratic function, it looks like a U. X-intercept, where that quadratic function crosses through the x-axis, also called solutions, roots, and zeros. The vertex of a quadratic function is either that lowest point or that highest point. Remember, that's the vertex. Axis of symmetry is that line that goes straight through the center. Okay. The maximum is when it has a highest point, it has a maximum. And the minimum is when it has a lowest point. That's the minimum. Quadratic formula, we've gone over this. Discriminant. If the discriminant is greater than 0, you have 2 real solutions. If it's less than 0, no real solutions. Equal to 0, 1 real solution. Standard form, y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Vertex form, y equals ax minus h squared plus k, where h and k are the vertex. Okay, we don't need completing the square right now. All right, so on your worksheet today, I'm not going to do any examples with you. And you will be required to prove your answers to me however you can prove them on your paper. If you don't prove them, you won't get credit. I'm just going to show you real quick how you can do some of them. Okay, so let's look at number 1. What is the equation of a parabola with a vertex at 0, 3 passing through point -2, 7? So you're looking for a graph. The vertex is at 0, 1, 2, 3, and there's a point at -2, 7, something like that. So it should look something like this. Okay, so what you're going to do is type in each equation into y equals and find the one that has a vertex at 0, 3 and passes through the point -2, 7. Okay, that's what you're going to do for number 2 as well. Number 3. Number 3 is a little bit different. So number 3, which is the equation of the parabola with a vertex at -2, 5? So you're looking for something with a vertex at -2 going up 5. That's the vertex. And a y-intercept of 1. Okay, so that one's going to look something like that. Okay. Again, type in each one. Find the one that has a vertex at -2, 5 and a y-intercept at 1. Remember, the vertex is that very highest or that very lowest point. Okay. So number 4 is done that same way. Number 5, which of these could be the equation of the graph? So you will type in each one into y equals, find the one that matches the graph. Number 6, when the equation is rewritten into standard form, what is the value of b? So you're looking for this number right here in front of x. So what you'll need to do, x minus 4, you'll need to do that on a box. X minus 4, right? Because it's x minus 4 squared. You solve that. Whatever that answer is, you need to multiply by 2. Okay, so distribute. Okay, whatever that ends up being, add 5 to the end. Okay? So you should be able to figure this one out. If you need any extra help with this one, let me know. Number 7 is the same thing as number 6. And then let's look at number 8. The parabola shown in the graph can also be represented by what? Again, type in each graph, find the one that matches. Prove your work to me by drawing pictures of the graphs. Okay, that'll show me your work. Also on number 6 and 7, I will need your work like this. Okay, so even this one, draw me a picture of each of these graphs down here so that I know which one matches. All right, you have until the end of the class period to finish. Good luck, you guys.